time we take 30 steps. These steps जब लेंगे, you would have gone around the earth 26 times. 26 times you would have gone around the earth. The message here is कि दुनिया इतनी जल्दी बदल रही है, and you have to take advantage of it. You are very lucky. You are very lucky because you are seeing the change, the dramatic change which is happening in the world. आप लोग पैदा हुए थे, पैदा होके प्रॉब्ली 2 साल के अंदर ही आपके पास शायद या तो आईफोन था या स्मार्टफोन था या आईपैड था या कीबोर्ड था. You have touched that. I'm 78. उस समय तो there's not even a talk about this. First time I saw a computer was in 1989. So, and even your parents, right? This is the first time they saw the computer was probably even after that. So the message is कि आप लोगों के पास, you have to use the technology, you